We're going to talk to Ashley in Indiana about sealing her windows. What's going on?
Hi, I just moved into an apartment about a month ago, and my bedroom windows, you could feel the breeze coming in, but the problem is I am 3 stories up.
Okay, where do you feel the breeze coming in? Sort of around the frame or through the glass itself when it's closed?
And actually, you can feel the breeze all the way around the windows.
Okay, and this is an apartment, Ashley?
Yes, sir.
So you don't own the windows, right? You wouldn't be replacing windows.
Right.
Okay, so here's a couple of things you can do. First of all, there's a product out that's a temporary caulk. It's called Seal and Peel, and that one is made by the DAP company. There's one made by Red Devil. I think there's one made by a generic like Megastore brand. And basically what these temporary caulks do is they allow you to essentially caulk the window shut in the winter so you seal out all the drafts. But then in the spring, you peel the stuff off. You know when you get a credit card in the mail and it's kind of stuck to the paper with like that white gel, that clear gel?
Yeah.
That's what this stuff feels like, and it peels off just like that, kind of stringy and rubbery. And it's a really good invention because it's very inexpensive, and it's not as obtrusive as putting the plastic on your windows and that kind of stuff.
And it's perfect for the apartment installation. You know, my mom's using it at her place in the city.
That's great. And what's the name of that again?
Seal and Peel, S-E-A-L, the letter N, and then Peel, P-E-A-L.
Okay, great. Thank you so much.
You're welcome, Ashley. Thanks so much for calling us at 888-MONEY-PIT. And we probably should mention, Leslie, that the only time you need to be cautious using that stuff is when it's a bedroom egress window. You don't want to seal it shut. Now, in Ashley's case,
I mean, it does come out, but if you're stumbling and rushing for quick exit, you don't want to have to peel this stuff out.
Exactly. In Ashley's case, she's 3 stories up. It didn't sound like that was the egress, but if you were on the first floor and that's the only way out in the event of a fire, then you do not want to seal your window shut. For all their uses, it's a great product.